Most tiny life forms get brushed aside as threats to kill off or just rot workers. Yet that view hides something huge. What looks like a world ruled by animals and plants is really run by microbes. From deep below ground to high above, they control air makeup, rebuild habitats piece by piece, besides influencing how big organisms act and change across ages, humans included. Their quiet grind runs the living layer of Earth, unseen yet essential. 1. The first builders of worlds. Before forests spread across continents, tiny organisms reshaped Earth's harsh surface. What fills your lungs today exists because of ancient microbes. Long before now, around 2.4 billion years back, air on Earth held almost no oxygen. Rising numbers of cyanobacteria changed everything when they began releasing oxygen through sunlight-driven chemistry. Because most living things then could not handle oxygen, its spread acted like poison, wiping out vast portions of early life. Iron and seawater reacted sharply, forming layers of rust preserved in rock records. Slowly, high up, a shield formed, the start of what became the ozone layer. From this upheaval came beings who rely on breathable air. Our very breath traces back to waste gas made by tiny ancient organisms. Below oceans and land, an immense hidden world thrives. Microbes like archaea and bacteria dwell deep underground. Their combined weight might match every living thing above ground. Instead of sunlight, they survive through reactions between stone and fluid. Life down there reshapes minerals slowly, locking away carbon across ages. These organisms work without light, feeding only on Earth's chemistry. Over millions of years, their quiet presence shifts how elements move beneath our feet. 2. Puppeteers of macro life. A single creature isn't quite what it seems. Each plant, every animal, yourself included, carries a hidden world inside. Shaped not just by genes, but by tiny life forms hitching along. These microscopic neighbors quietly guide growth, well-being, even actions, without drawing attention. What looks like one being is really many, tangled together. Inside you, life thrives beyond what meets the eye. Not just flesh and bone, tiny companions outnumber your own cells, one for each, maybe more. Tucked into every corner, deep within the gut, their genetic code stretches far wider than yours ever could. They build vital nutrients while shaping defenses. Fiber breaks down thanks to them. Silent chemical messages rise from their activity. Each microbe, a quiet worker in an unseen network. Imagine tiny creatures inside your belly pulling strings in your head. These microbes cook up early forms of brain chemicals like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. Stuff that shapes how you feel, worry, or think. When scientists moved gut bugs from nervous mice to relaxed ones, the chill animals started acting jumpy too. Without question, those little organisms weave themselves into how you experience emotions. Masters of behavior. A single ant wanders off when the spores take hold. Instead of staying with the group, it climbs upward, drawn to damp air and warmth. Its jaw locks around a thin line in the leaf, stuck fast. Inside, slow digestion begins, while threads spread through muscle and tissue. A stalk pushes out later, rising from where the head once was. Spore dust drifts downward, carried on breezes that move between treetops. A sneaky parasite named Toxoplasma gondii thrives solely in a cat's belly, where it mates. Once inside a rat, though, it shifts control, altering thoughts deep within the mind. Fear of feline scent fades away, completely erased by tiny invaders. Instead, the smell of cat pee sparks something odd, almost magnetic. Drawn forward not by instinct but manipulation, the rodent moves closer to danger. Predators wait, but the prey walks right in, pulled by false desire. A single ant wanders off when the spores take hold. Instead of staying with the group, it climbs upward, drawn to damp air and warmth. Its jaw locks around a thin line in the leaf, stuck fast. Inside, slow digestion begins, while threads spread through muscle and tissue. A stalk pushes out later, rising from where the head once was. Spore dust drifts downward, carried on breezes that move between treetops. A sneaky parasite named Toxoplasma gondii thrives solely in a cat's belly, where it mates. Once inside a rat, though, it shifts control, altering thoughts deep within the mind. Fear of feline scent fades away, completely erased by tiny invaders. Instead, the smell of cat pee sparks something odd, almost magnetic. Drawn forward not by instinct but manipulation, the rodent moves closer to danger. Predators wait, but the prey walks right in, pulled by false desire. 3. The quiet talks between cells. Alone, they are not. Through tiny chemicals, bacteria talk to one another, tuning into how many neighbors surround them, a trick known as quorum sensing. Out go signal molecules, drifting through space until there are so many that the crowd hits a tipping point. Only then does every single cell flip on the same genetic switches at once. What was quiet now turns fierce, as scattered microbes unite into an attacking force. In dark waters, others do something similar, lighting up inside creatures when numbers finally matter. The glow appears just when tight crowds make a difference. 4. The invisible climate regulator. Out in the open sea, tiny life forms run the show when it comes to gases shaping Earth's weather. These organisms pour out more climate-influencing emissions than all factories combined. Every second breath you take, thank the floating plant life in salt water. Without their constant work, air quality would shift fast. Nitrogen balance hinges on unseen players, ancient microbes doing quiet chemistry beneath waves. When ammonia vanishes into harmless gas, credit goes to these small architects. Stop their job, and seas lose power to grow food chains. One kind, known as Thumarchaeota, spreads across oceans like invisible threads. From them rises much of the nitrous oxide escaping seawater. This one microbe type holds surprising weight in how hot or cool the world becomes. 5. The first makers of complicated things. Life's complexity began with tiny unions. Not digestion, but cooperation followed when one microbe swallowed another. Those mitochondria inside you, they used to swim on their own. Long ago, what became plant chloroplasts lived freely as blue-green specks in water. Energy shaping big, intricate cells rose from these trapped microbes, still working within. What we are ties back to those quiet takeovers. The hidden powers exposed. Danger grows when we overlook this reality. Fighting microbes using antibiotics sets off chain reactions, leading to tougher germs while wrecking delicate inner systems we rely on. It isn't just about numbers. Our bodies flow together with a vast global web of tiny life forms handling air, earth, weather, and even how we think. This unseen activity of microscopic beings, far from buried history, it's the core narrative of our planet, unfolding in each breath, speck of dirt, and flicker of mind.